Today we will study about unit number 3.1, that is responsibilities of a solar panel installation technician. So solar panel installation technician, also we call him as a panel installer. So he is responsible for installing solar panels at the customer's premises. So that is the area where the solar panels or the complete system is to be installed. So what are the essential skills required to install the solar panel? So because the task is outdoor, in the field, and most probably in the sun, because panel will be installed where the sunlight is available in a very good amount. So the panel installer should be able to work in a standing position for long hours, because this task takes a lot of time for a complete installation. Okay, so he should be capable of working in a standing position for long hours. So next, he should be having physical capacity to deal with the weight of the solar panels, because he has to lift it and then he has to place it, then he has to fix it. Physically, he should be strong enough to deal with the weight of the solar panel. So next skill is that he should be willing to work in an outdoor setting at various locations, like fields, rooftop, and rooftop may location can be both. It could be urban, it could be rural. So any type of location could be there. So the installer should be willing to work in all of these type of locations. So here in the image, the type of task to be done by the installer, that is shown here, where the rooftop installation is being performed here and in the sun. And it also takes a lot of time, because the frame, first of all, then the panels, they are to be installed. We will discuss about it in our coming units. Complete a procedure. The role of solar panel installation technician, that is shown here. So first one is assessment of installation site. So he should completely assess the where the panels are to be installed. They should be proper, having a sufficient amount of sunlight should be available there. Okay, next role is to get in-depth knowledge of installation prerequisites. Okay, whatever has to be done prior to installation, that should be completely known by the installer. Next role is to gather material required for installation, all of the type of materials, the frame, tools, so all type of materials should be available. And next is the installation and mounting of solar panels at customer premises. Now comes the part of installation and the mounting of the panel at the specific site or the location. And last role is to secure the solar energy system post installation to ensure effective functioning. The system, the energy solar to electricity protection system, that should be secured. Okay, so this is the post installation task, means the responsibilities or the role that doesn't end here with the installation. It is post installation as well. Apart from the key technical responsibilities of the installation, the solar panel installation technician or the panel installer also needs to ensure number of modules and panels as per the voltage requirement. This we have studied in our previous units, because the voltage requirement by one panel may not be sufficient as required by the load or by the next unit, maybe charge controller, maybe inverter. So a number of panels are to be connected. So the installer should be having a complete knowledge how many modules or panels are required. Then he should ensure proper handling of panels and other materials. Okay, so the handling, okay, proper handling that is needed. So panels and also other materials as well. The frame should be there. The tools also, that should be properly being handled. Okay, then other components like the wiring connections, boxes, junction boxes, so some other miscellaneous components as well. And then excess precautionary measures to be taken. The precautions we should take, because if we avoid some type of precautions, then there is a chance of mishap. Okay, then ensure effective functioning of the system post installation. Just as we discussed, post installation as well, the responsibilities or task does not end. Okay, it should be after the installation and during the normal working. The next thing is manage waste and workplace safety. Your safety should be kept of no chance of mishap by the installer. And waste, don't just keep it here or there. Take it and properly dispose it. We will discuss it further also in our coming unit, the waste management. Then deliver quality work as per standard despite constraints. So constraints could be their sunlight availability or the angle, tilt angle. So we should not the constraints, they should be maximized so that the maximum energy can be obtained. So the quality work should be given by the installer. So next is ensure customer satisfaction and get a feedback on standards of work. So customer satisfaction, that is also needed. It should not be like this that we have just installed the panel and our task is over. We should take a proper feedback. We should check whether the customer is satisfied with the task. Okay, then only our role or responsibilities are over.